Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today after a very long time I am again with you people to share a new makeup look. This look is inspired by Kiara Advani's makeup look which she did in Shershah movie. It is a very simple and everyday wearable makeup look and very easy to recreate. So without wasting any more time, let's see how I created this makeup look. Starting with skincare, I am using green tea face toner from Good Vibes and I will spray it all over my face and neck area. Green tea helps in fighting acne and acne scars. After this, I will apply Vaseline petroleum jelly on my lips to moisturize my lips properly. To moisturize my face, I am using Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Oil in Cream. As you can see, it has a beautiful golden packaging. The product is gel based and it you need very less amount to apply it on your face, and it spreads like butter. Within one use, I became a big fan of this product. You can easily get it on any Lakme counter, and you can always get it on discount during sales on all online shopping websites. For priming my face, I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I will dot it all over my face and neck area and also under my eyes and on my lid area, and then I will use my fingers to blend it into my skin. For my foundation, I am using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation and my shade is W120 Warm Creme. I will dot it all over my face and neck, and then I will use a buffing brush to buff it into my skin. While applying any product, please remember the rule less is more. You apply less product first and blend it properly, and then you see if you need more, then apply more. Otherwise, your base makeup will become patchy and cakey. I will apply same foundation under my eye area and on my lids because I don't have any dark circles or hyperpigmentation issue. So I am skipping concealer today. And sorry, I completely forgot to mention that I did my eyebrows off camera for this look. To set my under eye area, lid area, face and neck area, I am using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 01 Ivory Creme. I applied little extra amount of powder on my under eye area which I will dust off later on. Now I am using Sugar Face Palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I will use the bronzer shade to apply it on my lid area. I am applying it just to get some color on my eyes. Now comes my favorite part, that is applying kajal. Kiara Advani has applied really thick kajal on her lower waterline, and she didn't apply any liner or anything else. So I am using just a kajal on my waterline. The kajal which I am using is Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal, and the shade is just Black 001. To thicken the kajal further, I am taking this black eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution palette. You can take any black eyeshadow. I am using this angular brush from Color Bar, and I will tap this black eyeshadow just below where I applied the kajal. This also prevents the kajal from smudging. To complete my eye makeup, I am using a mascara. This is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I will apply it on my upper and lower lashes both. For my blusher, I'm again taking the Sugar Face palette, and I'm taking the blusher shade from it. I will apply the blusher on the apple of my cheeks, and I will blend it towards my hairline. I skipped contouring and highlighting for this look because, as I said earlier, this is a very easy and everyday wearable makeup look, and I didn't find any contouring or highlighting on Kiara's face either. To set the whole makeup, I am using Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Setting Spray, and I will spray it 2 3 times on my face and neck area. Now it's time for lipstick, and first of all I am removing the lip balm which I applied to moisturize my lips. For this look I am going to mix two lipsticks together. The first lipstick which I am using is Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon in the shade Shocking Pink, and the second lip color which I am going to use is from Color Bar Cosmetics in the shade 53M Stardust. For my earrings, I am going with these round earrings with pearl detailings on it. What Kiara was wearing was a silver earrings, but I don't have a similar one, so I went ahead with what I had in my wardrobe. After the earrings, I will apply a pink bindi that Kiara also applied in the movie. So this is the bindi, and I will apply the pink one. After applying the bindi, I will wear some silver bangles similar to what Kiara was wearing in the movie. And for my hairstyle, I made a pony and pulled out some hair from the sides of my head, as you can see. So guys, this is the final look. Please let me know how much you liked the recreation and what are the faults which you find. I hope I am able to do justice with the recreation. If you are new to my channel and if you like my content, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and share my videos with your friends and family. My all social media handles are listed in the description box. Follow me there also. Last but not the least, a big salute to late Captain Vikram Batra, the Kargil hero on whose life the movie Shershah is made, and a big salute to all the three defense forces of India. I will very soon meet you all with a brand new video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye. Love you all.